Welcome back to Beautified. If you're looking for glowing, healthy skin without harsh chemicals, you've come to the right place. We'll be creating simple, effective skincare recipes using natural ingredients you can find right in your kitchen. Let's get glowing! First up, we have a nourishing honey and oatmeal face mask. This mask is perfect for soothing and hydrating your skin. To make this mask, you'll need 2 tablespoons of oatmeal and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix them together until you get a smooth paste. Apply the mixture to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Your skin will feel soft, hydrated, and refreshed. Our next mask is an avocado and yogurt face mask. Avocado is rich in vitamins and healthy fats, while yogurt helps exfoliate and soothe your skin. Start by mashing half of a ripe avocado in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt and mix until you get a creamy consistency. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water for a nourishing and hydrating glow. Next up is a coffee and turmeric face mask. This mask is fantastic for brightening your complexion and reducing puffiness. Combine 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add a bit of yogurt or honey to create a smooth paste. Apply the mask to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. This mask helps to exfoliate and brighten your skin. Now let's make a sugar and coconut oil scrub. This exfoliating scrub helps remove dead skin cells and leaves your skin glowing and smooth. Combine half a cup of sugar with a 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil. Stir until well blended. Gently massage the scrub onto your skin in circular motions. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Your skin will feel exfoliated and incredibly soft. Our final recipe is an aloe vera and green tea moisturizer. This lightweight moisturizer is perfect for hydrating and calming your skin. Start by brewing 1 cup of green tea and letting it cool. Then, extract gel from an aloe vera leaf. You'll need about 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Mix the cooled green tea with the aloe vera gel until well combined. Transfer the mixture into a clean jar. Apply a small amount to your face and neck after cleansing. It's light, hydrating, and perfect for daily use. And that's it for today's DIY natural skincare recipes. I hope you enjoyed these simple, effective ways to pamper your skin using natural ingredients. If you try any of these recipes, I'd love to hear how they worked for you, so drop a comment below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more beauty and wellness tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.